Are you tired of editing voiceovers because it takes 10 times longer than the audio length and it's not mentally stimulating? Me too. That's why I built Narralyn. To edit an audio, you have to zoom into the timeline to find the silences and cut them out, one by one. After that, you choose the best take and remove all the annoying words, but you have no visual feedback of the words being spoken, so you just have to listen to the entire file over and over again. I know how that can be annoying. After all, I have the same problem myself with this YouTube channel. That's why I built Narralyn, to edit audio 10 times faster with words. How does it work? First, you add an audio or video file. This can be up to 500 megabytes or 20 minutes. The app will transcribe it for you. After that, you select all the words you want in the final audio, filter the silences, and fine-tune the limits of the cuts to your liking. Or you can select all words and filter the silences with one click. To finish, export the audios and video cuts. That's it. Audio editing made simple. Give it a try, the link is in the description. And subscribe to this channel to learn more about Narralyn and all my cool other projects.